Okay, we're just wrapping up here over at Bellamy, Strickland, Chevrolet Buick GMC in McDonough, Georgia. And we came in here and we just freshened this tool room up and we installed Toolsguard. So coming in and installing Toolsguard, what that meant is we took down all their old tags and we put up new tags with QR codes on them, because now they're going to have a lock on the door, and when a technician needs a tool, he's going to go ahead and he's going to request it outside the door. It's going to open the lock and it's going to let him in the room to get it. It'll also tell him exactly where that tool is. And the process is just reversed when it's brought back. This shows you their kits. All have Toolsguard codes on them now. Even their fixtures. Shelves are all labeled, so everybody knows where to bring the stuff back to. Put it back so it don't end up. They had a lot of when we came in here. We did this job a while ago, but they hadn't moved out of the old building, so we gathered everything up. We brought it over, but a bunch of other stuff came over after the fact, and so we came in and we freshened everything up and installed Toolsguard. We also did the medium duty truck across the street, and I'll shoot a video of that showing you what that looked like after I finish up here. But this is how it came out, and we worked with Jeff and Dennis and William, and they've just been a terrific group of guys. I've worked for them twice now, and I've enjoyed them, and they've been tremendously helpful. And with that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to thank Tooler for the job, thank God for his help as always, and shut her down.